friends, and welcome to another edition of In the Kitchen with Karen. So let me ask you, what is your favorite candy bar? I have two favorites. One is Snickers bars and the other is Butterfinger. I love Butterfingers because of that kind of crispy, crunchy peanut butter in the middle and the chocolate on the outside. Yum! So I thought it would be fun to make a quick, no-bake dessert today called Butterfinger Pie. It just has a few ingredients. It comes together really quick, no baking involved. We're going to start with an Oreo cookie crust made with crushed up Oreos and melted butter. And then our ingredients are going to be some cream cheese, peanut butter, powdered sugar, Cool Whip, and some chopped up Butterfingers. So let's get started. So in a small saucepan, take 1/3. We are going to take an 8-ounce container of non-dairy whipped topping, also known as Cool Whip, and we are going to fold that into our mixture. And this is what's going to make it nice and light and creamy. Now we're going to take our crushed Butterfingers and add them to the mix. And the last thing we're going to add is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Did you know that the cap of the vanilla bottle is exactly 1 teaspoon? And now give it a good stir so each piece is evenly distributed inside our mixture. This is looking good. So this is exactly how it should look. And now our crust has been in the freezer for 20 minutes and we're gonna take it out and fill our pie shell. And now we're ready to fill our pie shell. First I kind of just put it all in there. And then I sort of spin it a little bit to evenly get it around there. Oh my gosh, doesn't this look amazing? Okay, that looks good. And now we're gonna take our half a cup of reserved Butterfinger candy bars and sprinkle it over the top. Now I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty rich, so it's gonna probably serve 8 to 10 people. You just need a small slice. Now what I like to do is melt a half a cup of chocolate chips in the microwave. I microwaved for about 45 seconds. Every 10 seconds I took it out and gave it a stir. And we are just gonna drizzle this on the top. And there you have it, our finished Butterfinger pie. So this is gonna go in the freezer for 1 hour. Okay guys, our pie is ready. It's been in the freezer for 1 hour. So let's cut into it and see how it looks. And now just to give it a little extra prettiness, we're just gonna put a little dollop of whipped cream on top. Okay guys, so once you have served your pie, you can put the rest in the refrigerator and we'll keep them there 3 to 4 days. Or if you like it more of a frozen ice cream consistency, you can definitely put it back in the freezer, and then when you're ready to serve it, leave it out for 5 minutes so you can cut into it. So now I'm gonna give this a try. So it's very fluffy and light, and you have the cookie crust. Oh my gosh, you guys, so good. The little bit of tang from the cream cheese, you definitely taste the peanut butter. Like I said, it's super creamy. And the pieces of Butterfinger, they've sort of melted a little bit into the mixture, so they're not super crunchy. They just have a little bit of crunch to them, but then you get some more crunch on the top. I hope you guys are gonna give this a try. You'll love it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.